Let's move on to XED, or cross-elasticity of demand. XED measures how the quantity demanded of one good responds to a change in the price of another related good. The related good could be a substitute or a complement. The formula of XED is simply the percentage change in quantity demanded of good B divided by a percentage change in the price of good A. If XED is positive, the two goods are substitutes. This means that when the price of one good rises, consumers switch to the other. Examples include Coca-Cola and Pepsi, butter and margarine, iPhones and Samsung phones, or Uber and regular taxis. The stronger the substitutability, the larger the positive value of XED. On the other hand, if XED is negative, the two goods are complements, meaning they are consumed together. When the price of one increases, the demand for the other also falls. Typical examples include printers and ink, coffee machines and coffee pots, cars and petrol, or gaming consoles and video games. The closer the complementary relationship, the more negative the XED values will be. If the value is close to zero, the two goods are likely to be unrelated. A change in the price of one has no effect on the demand for the other. For instance, the price of bread is unlikely to affect the demand for laptops or motorbikes. XED is important because it helps firms understand the competitive landscape. A high positive XED tells a company that a rival's price change will strongly affect its own sales. While firms selling complementary goods can coordinate pricing across different products. For governments, XED helps identify markets with strong competitive links and anticipate the impact of taxes on related markets. To summarize, the sign of XED tells us the relationship between two goods, while its magnitude tells us the strength of the relationship between the two goods.